Now let's move into the planning section. Across the top, you can switch between the different planning views, including yearly, monthly, weekly, and daily. There are also separate areas for tasks and recurring items, which we'll cover later. We'll begin with the yearly view. This gives you a full year at a glance, so you can quickly see all 12 months in one place. The current date is highlighted, and the small colored dots underneath certain dates show that something has been scheduled on those days. At the top, you can use Previous or Next to move to a different year, or select This Year to return to the current year. When you hover over one of the months, that month opens in a larger view. A card also appears beside it, showing the events or appointments scheduled during that month. This makes it easier to review what is coming up without having to leave the yearly calendar. You can also hover over an individual date. A small plus sign will appear, allowing you to add an event or task directly to that day. We'll go through the full process of adding events and tasks a little later. As you scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll find the Important Dates This Year section. This brings your scheduled dates together in a list, with the date and the name of each item, so you have another way to quickly review what has been added throughout the year. The yearly view is especially helpful for seeing the bigger picture. Appointments, birthdays, important dates, and other plans, all in one place, before moving into the more detailed monthly, weekly, and daily views.